How to remain calm and stress-free at the workplace. There are 7 steps. First, you should have a positive attitude. Now, attitude is important at any place, and attitude is a kind of habit. You start seeing optimistic things, you start seeing bright side of the picture or dark side. Negative attitude normally does not lead anywhere. Now, positive attitude or optimism doesn't mean that you are not cautious. You have to remain cautious, but at the same time, you should look for the best, expect the best, and work for the best. Second step is emotions. You must have control over your emotions. Now, in Bhagavad Gita also mentions that emotions need to be in control, because Arjun could not keep his emotions in control. We know that he, even though he is a brave man, he is a warrior, a renowned warrior, still he doesn't want to fight. He doesn't want to fight because he was having emotional upheaval, seeing his relatives on both the sides. Third point is blame game. Sometimes it so happens that we get into blame game, blaming others, trying to find out that the mistake has happened not because of you, but because of somebody else. This blame game in turn leads you to a lot of stress. So this should be avoided. Now, if the first 3 steps are positive, then it is very easy to maintain relationship, good relations with your colleagues, with your juniors, with your seniors. Now that is point number 4. Good relations. If you maintain good relations, you will not face difficulties with other people, difficulties with your colleagues, your juniors, your seniors, and that will also add to your calm, that will add to your stress-free workplace. After that, there are some situations where you may lose your temper, because after all, we are all human beings. So when you tend to lose your temper, at that time, you should try to see the possibilities. Try to see what are the, if this is a challenge, if somebody has wronged you or some problem has come, what are the possibilities? The moment you start looking at the possibilities, that will help and it will remove your stress. Step number 6 is that it should not be logic alone. Logic alone does not work in life. It should be action. What works? What is really good for that particular moment? Not what is logically right, only that should be followed. So this is step number 6. Finally, 7th step is that you have power, basic power, your self-esteem, your strength of mind, your emotional intelligence. So that power you must leverage. You must say to yourself, okay, I'll use my power and I'll stay stress-free. Now, if you follow these 7 steps, you can definitely maintain your calm and remain stress-free at the workplace.